What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to stay tapped in with the channel, if you like what you see, what we're doing over here, go ahead, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Let's get into the box. You guys already know what time it is, man. We got a Nike box, straight from Nike. Box reads Nike Air Max 1 NH Treeline Light Bordeaux. A lot of Bordeaux shoes been dropping from Nike. A lot of light Bordeaux, regular Bordeaux, Bordeaux. So, let's see what we got, man. You guys know I love Nike Air Max 1s. One of my favorite silhouettes. Oh, yeah. And these look just as good as they look in the pictures, bruh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I gotta do it on foot. I can't do it on foot in this video, but I have to do an on foot for this shoe, because this shoe is clean. Nike Air Max 1 Light Bordeaux Treeline. I'm assuming the Treeline, it's like this green, even with the brown, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm assuming the Bordeaux, it's this right here, the light Bordeaux. Look at the nice little shine around the collar. Around the back it says Nike Air Max. Wow. Which is different because it normally just says Nike Air. Normally on your Nike Air Max 1s, it doesn't say Nike Air Max, so that's different. It's definitely different. Swing that thing around. Nice shoe, the suede. Really nice. Can you see it? Oh yeah. Nice suede, man. Nice little like nubuck right here, and then some nice hairy, super duper hairy suede on the check. Laces, you got this on the laces. It's like a green mixed with a little bit of the light Bordeaux with a little bit of that tan. See if you can zoom in on it. This is a clean shoe. The air bubble right there, it's like a tan. I don't know if where's that Bordeaux? Actually, it's a Bordeaux in the air. A little light Bordeaux in there. Do these come with spare laces? Extra laces, extra laces? No extra laces, man. See the bottom, black. Got that off-white aged look on the soles, that kind of like that cream, that aged look on the sole, really nice. Let's look at the insole, because the insole is kind of cool. I'm gonna take it out. Let's see if I can just take it out. The insole of the shoe, you got the Nike Air in Bordeaux, and then it low-key, it's like the reverse tread. It's like the tread on the bottom of it, just drawn on. That's pretty cool. See what I'm saying? Bro, this is a clean shoe, man. Don't sleep on this shoe, man. For me, this has nothing to do with any type of resale. Straight to feet. I'm definitely going to do an on foot look for these. Yeah, man. One last look. Go around it real quick. I'm not here to take up your time. Get down in the comments. Tell me, did you get your hands on these? What do you think about this shoe? I know there's another Air Max 1 they got dropping. And it has a pretty unique colorway to it too. I might go for those. I don't know. but I definitely needed to get my hands on these. These are fire, man. You guys, like I said, get down in the comments. Let me know what you think, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins, man. I appreciate you guys for coming and rocking with me. I appreciate you guys for spending your time with me. Please make sure you hit that like button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm talking about? Feel me? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in. It's your boy. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.